We'll see how to open RESP account on Simple app. And for this, let me take you to the computer screen. Just below the video in the description, you will find this Simple refer a friend link. When you click this refer a friend link and sign up Simple account, I'll show you that in detail. We both get $25 reward when you deposit $1 into Simple account. Either you click on this link if you are able to click, otherwise just copy this link like this. If you are on desktop, you can paste it on the search bar like this. When you paste it and enter, if it is on desktop, you see here, I'm opening on desktop, you will see the screen where you have this sign up now to get a $25 referral bonus. So here you go and sign up to the Simple account. If you're using the referral link through mobile, then the app will open like this and you will be asked to sign up. Once you do that, once you sign in, I will get notified like this. You can see in progress. And when you do at least $1 deposit into your account, we both will get reward like this as you see on the screen. And for some reason, you don't see the reward. Remember, you have to do the deposit within 30 days of initiation. And once you do that, we both will see this reward. If you don't see that reward, reach out to me and we will figure out how to get this added to your account. Make sure you have signed using my referral link. Once you sign in, you come to the home page, and on the home page, when you come down, you see here open or move account. Click here and then open a new account. Once you click here, now you see this has entire list from credit card, checking, USD savings, TFSA, RRSP, non-registered account with margin available, FHSA, RESP, crypto, all the way down till LIF. When you click on RESP, this page opens and here you have these two options, stock option and ETF and portfolio. When you choose this stock options and ETF, basically here you are self-directing your investment. You buy and sell your investment yourself. You are in full control of what you invest in, and this is when you are comfortable making your own decision. You're looking for flexibility and customization, and you're looking for investing for growth. You decide what to invest in and when. And here you see it mentions low fee. I'll explain in detail how this works with example, but for now, just remember this part. When it comes to portfolio, you see here, invest with confidence in portfolios built by our professional team. Simple professional team builds this portfolio and offers this to you. So there's going to be some fee on this portfolio. Once you come here, you make the selection. In case you choose this, you have to respond to this RESP type. Like here, I'm choosing family, and once you make that selection, you come to this page where you open the account and then you answer some basic question based on which the account will get opened and you will get an assigned number. I made detailed video on RESP. You can check that out from the link that is given in the description, and thanks for watching.